And fight.
You gotta scoot all the way up. Yeah, I know.
There's the coach.
This hurts.
Are you the coach too?
Yes.
Go ahead, coach. You got a coach. Sarah, coach. Katrina.
Wait, not yet.
And Karen, coach.
Not yet.
Oh, Katrina, that's silly. Yeah.
Good shot. Katrina, do it.
Do it. Do it. That looks like fun. Come on. Come on. You're supposed to coach your Cynthia.
Katrina, hit it. Hit it like it's a wooden stick. Hit it like it's a wooden stick.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Hard. Hard. Can you hit each other in the face and see what happens?